The Bear and the Nightingale by Catherine Arden. A magical tale set in medieval Russia, blending folklore with reality. Vasya, born with a special gift, is destined to protect her village from the dark forces lurking in the forest. But her abilities bring suspicion and fear. Arden's novel is a beautifully written mix of Russian fairy tales and history, creating a mesmerizing story of family, faith, and facing the unknown. Vasya's courage and the atmospheric setting make this a compelling read. Subscribe now for daily book reviews that ignite your imagination and inspire your next great read.